All right, so my buddy opted for the aluminum radiator, which was a little bit cheaper than getting the original redone, since the cost of copper is so damn high. So it was $600 something for the original one to be rebuilt, and he found a 4-core aluminum rad for $280, I believe it was. Anyhow, so it has these little brackets for the fan shroud, but since the original radiator is wider, the fan shroud doesn't fit. So that was a nice try, but not good enough. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to see if we can put an electric fan in the front, mounted with a sensor inside the top radiator hose. So when the temperature gets too hot, it'll throw on the electric fan and it'll cool it down. That's of course if it gives any trouble. So it was a pretty easy install. Bolt holes probably have to be drilled out a little bit, the bottom ones, so that the bottom holes will fit or line up with the bolts. Other than that, it comes with some nice fittings that go into the oil cooler line, oil cooler tank or whatever. So that's kind of cool. And then yeah, that's about it really. It's looking pretty good. I'm just waiting for it to warm up so that it'll open the thermostat, and then I can top it up and close the radiator cap. But no leak so far, and doing pretty good so far. So yeah, this is the I will put the type of radiator in the description, and thanks for watching.